Hello student, welcome all of you. This is Mr. Sadanshu sir, Department of Mathematics, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Sapuri. Dear students, after winter examination 2020, we are going to introduce syllabus for preparation of the examination summer 2021. So you, all of you, now going to face semester second. You are happier for the semester second. So we have to discuss or introduce our syllabus for the semester second. So according to, you see this Paripatra. So according to this Paripatra, which is held on 8th June 2019, according to this, we have already discussed on syllabus of at that means for the first semester. Now we discuss for second semester. So in first semester, you have already studied paper number first, that is differential calculus. After that, paper second, that is algebra and trigonometry. So these papers you have studied in semester first. So for semester second, see here, BSc FY semester second. So for semester second, there is a calculus second. Paper third is calculus second, that is integral calculus, and fourth paper, see here, semester second, paper fourth, and paper name is geometry. So this on screen, there is a syllabus of the geometry. You know about geometry, you studied it, all some basics about geometries from 9th standard to 12th standard. So in 12th standard, we discuss some points like three-dimensional geometry. After two-dimensional geometries, there is a three-dimensional geometry, line in plane, direction cosine of line, direction ratios of line, etc. etc. You have already studied. So same syllabus, or there is some extension in that points, in that things. There is some extensions, and a few parts of our BSc's syllabus is same like 12th standard. Few parts, just few. Now I am going to introduce you to unit first, that is the coordinates and transformation of coordinate. Coordinates and transformation of coordinates. So I am going to read some points. You please attention carefully. Direction cosine of line. See here. Direction cosine of line, same point which is in 12th standard. After that, a useful relation between direction cosines, then projection on a straight line, and further syllabus is new for all of you. And then projection of a point on line, projection of a segment on another line, transformation of coordinate. There is introduction, change of origin, that means shifting method, then change of the direction of axis, relation between direction cosines of three mutual perpendicular lines. This is the discussion. There is in first unit. Now second unit. In second unit, name of second unit is plane, the plane. So up to 12th standard, we have already discussed what is meant by plane, but in our BSc syllabus or in a second semester. Plane is there, but it is extension, it is the extended ideas about the plane in three-dimensional space. And here we shall find a perpendicular plane, after that parallel plane. What will be happen if the planes are parallel? What will happen if the planes are perpendicular? How can we find the intersection of two planes? How can we find the equation of planes? Equation of planes while giving 3 points or 4 points, etc. Some things there. Now I read it. So, general equation of the first degree, then converse of the preceding theorems, transformation to the normal form, direction cosine of normal to the plane, angle between two plane. It is same like as in 12th standard we was found the angle between two lines, and there is a condition if the lines are parallel, if the lines are perpendicular. So, it is same like that, but there is a planes, there is a planes. So, here angle between two planes, we have to discuss angle between two planes, determination of planes under given condition, intercept of the equation of plane, then a plane through 3 points, system of planes, two sides of the plane, length of perpendicular from a point to plane, bisector of angle between two planes, and so on. In unit third, right line is there, right line. Representation of line. Actually, this line also lies in the plane. We will discuss it. And what is the condition? This line is not only in plane, but it is present in space, three-dimensional geometry. If the line is in the plane, then we discuss all aspect of the line in 12th standards, equation of line, when the line is in the only two dimension, that is x and y coordinate. So, this right line lies in the space, lies in the space. Then for this line we will discuss all aspects of the line when it is lies in the three-dimensional geometry. So, representation of line, how can we represent the line? Equation of line, what is the equation of line? Through a given point drawn in a given direction, or equation of line passing through the 2 points. Equation of lines, that means two forms of equation of line, that is the symmetric form and coordinate forms. There are two forms of line. Any line can be represented in two different methods, and these methods are, first is a coordinates method, the second is the symmetrical method. So, in this way we can represent one line in a different ways, that means only two different ways. So, equation of line, then transformation from the unsymmetrical to the symmetrical form, angle between a line and a plane, then a condition for a line to line in a plane, coplanar line, condition for coplanarity of line, number of arbitrary constant in the equation of straight line. For example, equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c. So, there are two arbitrary constant, y is equal to mx plus c. So, m and c are arbitrary constant. So, like this. The shortest distance between two lines, one second. Where is the geometry? This is the geometry. Okay, shortest distance between two lines, length of the perpendicular from a plane to line. Now, last chapter is fourth chapter, that is sphere, cone and cylinder. Now, this is a completely new concepts for you, completely new concept. You just know how to find the volume of the sphere, volume of cylinder, volume of cone, but you don't know. What is the equation of such figures? What is the equation, or how we can find the equation? Because all these figures are three dimensional. It is not like a line, circle, etc. So, in this chapter, definition of all, that is definition of sphere, definition of cones and definition of cylinder we will discuss. Definition, equation of sphere, general equation of sphere, the sphere through four given points, the sphere, plane section of sphere, then intersection of the two spheres, sphere with a given diameter, equation of circle, then power of point, equation of tangent plane, then plane of contact, the polar plane, after that pole of plane, some result covering poles and polars, then angle of intersection of two spheres, conditions for the orthogonality of two sphere, cone, cylinder, after that its definition, equations of cone with conic as a guiding curve, the right circular cone, definition, the cylinder, equation of cylinder, the right circular cylinder, definition, etc. etc. So, this syllabus I have taken from our website, that is university website, www.srtmun.ac.in. So, you can visit to our university website and download this syllabus, otherwise you can write it. PDF of this syllabus I will upload on our WhatsApp group. I will post on our WhatsApp group. Now, there are the 4 units, and textbooks first, Analytical Solid Geometry by Shanti Narayan and Dr. P.K. Mittal. This books is available in our library, but due to the pandemic we can't visit to our library. So, therefore, try to obtain soft copy from internet of this book, otherwise I will post books, these books, which is books, Analytical Solid Geometry. Analytical Solid Geometry by the Shanti Narayan and Dr. P.K. Mittal. I will post this book on our WhatsApp group. So, student, take this book, do study yourself some points related to this, because in these books there are lot of examples are given, but due to the limitation of times we will not touch to every problem. So, you can also do yourself some problems, and after finishing my lecture, please look that books, please study that books for your knowledge. So, students, some references books are also given. Analytical Geometry of the 2 or 3 dimensions by the quiz Zameruddin, Narosoba publication, textbook on the coordinate geometry, and so on. But I suggest you the books, our textbooks, that is Analytical Solid Geometry by Shanti Narayan, it is sufficient. Student, now we stop here. So, in the next lecture we will start our syllabus. Thank you. Thank you.